Good morning. I'm really glad you pressed play today. You walk into the office and something feels different. The usual hum, the click of keyboards, the energy, it's all gone. The office is empty. Just you, your thoughts, and the space around you. At first, the silence feels strange, maybe even unsettling. Without the usual distractions, it's easy to feel isolated, alone. Take a slow breath with me, in and out. There's a peace in solitude, but it can also bring up feelings of being disconnected. The lack of noise makes you hyper-aware of everything, and maybe your mind starts to race. But let's shift our focus. Just because you're alone doesn't mean you have to feel lonely. You have the chance to tap into something deeper today, to work without distractions, to connect with your thoughts, to accomplish things in this space that's all yours. Take a moment to think about how you want to spend this time. What can you accomplish without the usual noise? What ideas can you nurture when nothing's pulling your attention away? Now, picture yourself settling into the quiet, not as something to avoid, but as something to embrace. The stillness is a canvas. It's up to you how to fill it. Repeat this quietly if you can. I am at peace in this moment. I am grounded in this silence. If the solitude feels heavy, that's okay too. It's normal to feel disconnected when you're used to the buzz of a full office. But remember, this silence doesn't mean you're invisible. It doesn't mean you don't matter. It means you have space to breathe, reset, and think clearly. What if, instead of feeling lonely, you saw this as an opportunity to explore new ideas, dive deeper into your work, or simply enjoy the quiet in a way that refreshes you? Let this be a reminder. Silence doesn't have to mean loneliness. It can be the perfect time to reconnect with yourself, your work, and your purpose. It's easy to think that without others around, you're missing something. But here's a thought. Being alone doesn't take away from your worth. It can give you space to discover new things about yourself, to ask questions you might not have time for when the office is full. Think about it. Solitude gives you a chance to reset. You can take a break from the usual noise and focus on what really matters to you. It's like hitting the reset button for your mind, allowing you to come back stronger, clearer, and more connected to what you're working on. If the quiet feels too heavy, take a moment to acknowledge it. Don't judge yourself for feeling unsettled. Just accept it as part of this experience. And remember, this solitude is temporary. The energy in the office will return. But right now, you have this precious moment to yourself. Take another deep breath with me, in and out. Now, as you sit in this quiet, reflect on something positive. Maybe a task that's been on your mind. Maybe a project you've been putting off. This could be the moment where everything clicks into place. You have the space to get things done at your own pace, without distractions. If the silence feels uncomfortable, it's okay to feel that way, but challenge yourself. Can you see the potential in this moment? Can you embrace it as an opportunity to focus, to create, to reflect, and reconnect with your rhythm? You are in control of how this day goes. Even if the office is empty, your presence is still valuable. Your work matters. You matter. Repeat quietly, I am not invisible. I am valuable, even when I'm alone. This is your space. This is your time. You can use it however you need. And even though the office is quiet, you are not truly alone. You're simply given the gift of peace, and you have the power to decide how to fill it. Take a moment now to appreciate the quiet. Feel the calm wash over you. Allow this silence to be a space to breathe, focus, reset. Remember, you are not alone in this moment. Even if no one else is physically there, you're always connected to the bigger picture. Your work is part of a larger purpose, even if that purpose isn't always clear. You are capable of accomplishing great things today. You're not just filling time in an empty office. You're making the most of a moment that others might see as empty. But for you, this silence holds possibility. You've got this. Embrace this silence. Fill it with purpose. You are not alone, and your work matters. Thank you for spending a few quiet minutes with me today. You showed up today, and that's enough. This space is here whenever the world feels too loud, too fast, or just too much. Subscribe if you'd like a little more peace in your mornings. Take what you need, leave the rest. You've got this.